Welcome back. Let's learn how to do financial planning in Excel using basic formulas. So, I always like to use some examples which helps us. So, let's call it personal finances. That's a better example where we can all connect with it. So, personal finances, as in how much am I spending in a given month, right? So this is a simple example to showcase how Excel can be used as a versatile tool to track anything and see how much do we save or how much are we in debt. So let's name the column as expense. So maybe I'll take this and make it as bold. I'll select all the columns and click on the bold, so everything that I write will be on bold. Say for example month 1, by default it becomes bold, and I can drag and see I can track for 12 months. Yep, it's a simple way to do. What kind of expenses do I generally incur? Let's start with the house rent. Okay, and let me make this column also bold so it's easier. And if you have any loans, you can use that here. If you have any insurance expense, you can add it here. If you have any gas for your car, gas expense for your car, you can add that here. You do online shopping, you can add that here. You go to restaurants, you can add it here. Let me zoom my Excel so it's easier for everyone to see in the recording. If you have to buy some groceries, and if you have tuition expense for you or your kids, you're paying extra taxes probably, and let's see what's the balance that we are left. Okay, I just came up with all these different kinds of expenses so that I can explain you how we can use Excel to better categorize them. You can have your own way of adding your expenses based on what you foresee monthly. This is simple exercise where we are learning to see how we can track finances using Excel. So this is not the complete list, but yeah, for our video today this should do. So rent, I would say giving some random negative numbers because it's an expense, so I'm putting minus 2500 for rent, minus 900 for car loan, for insurance minus 1000, minus 500 for gas. Let me select everything and select the currency sign first, which can be your local currency. Here I'm selecting dollars. Expand the column if it shows hash. Online shopping minus 500, restaurants minus 500, groceries minus 1000, tuition minus 900, taxes minus 1000 probably, and what's our total? 8800. You select everything, you see the total here, 8800 in negative. Now in order for us to see the balance, you need to put your income. Let's say I'm putting my income for now as 9000, so I have some positive balance, right? So because everything is negative and the income is positive, you just select everything with an empty cell here on balance and go to formula. That's what we are trying to learn today. Click on auto sum. That will give you a balance of $200 per month. So it depends on your expenditure. Now you can, if you want to have the same formula dragged over for all the months, you just keep dragging it, the cell, select the cell and keep dragging it to the right for all the 12 months, and it will show you the balance once you fill up these values here. Let's say I pick these values, I mean monthly expenses cannot be the same. Double click on it when you see the hashes, or just expand it will do the trick, or you can select all the columns here and just expand a little. That would expand all the columns that you have selected. So for now I need to expand more. There you go. Now you can see the values. So I'm trying to, instead of copying, I'll just select this and move the same over to all 12 months. Now you have Excel has did the hard work for us, copied all the values over similarly to all the months. And now what's the balance that we are seeing here is the remaining amount of money that was left out in our account. Let's call this let's see what's the total for it. Right, I want to do a total for everything in this particular column N. Let's use the formula sum. How much are we left with end of the year? 2400. Okay, now I need to save at least $5,000 to reach my target, because I have some annual vacation plan for $5,000, so I'm only hitting 2400 right now. I need to, let's do the color coding, go to this area, mark it as yellow because I'm not hitting my 5000. So how do I reduce my expenditure here? Now we have our personal finances listed out randomly. What are the fixed things? Rent you cannot change, car loan you cannot change, insurance, gas you can change. Sometimes it will reduce, sometimes it will increase, but online shopping is something you can definitely change. I want to reduce it by $100 a month. I'll put minus 400 instead of 500. I'm reducing by $100. That is increasing my balance to savings balance to $300 a month. Let me drag it, select the cell, click on this plus and drag it so that it's reflected for all the months. Now I want to see what's the total I'll be saving. $3,600. Okay, I need to save more. Where can I save more? I cannot change in tuition, tax. I cannot increase my income. I cannot reduce my groceries. Restaurants, I guess I have to take a hit here. Let's see, I am reducing $100 for restaurant allowance. Okay, I'm bringing it to 400. Now let's stretch it out for all 12 months and see, will I be able to hit the 5000? I am close, 4800. I just need two more $100 to hit my 5000. Where else can I reduce? Probably gas is one area where I think I can do a little better. Maybe I'll reduce from 500 to probably 480. I'll max out at 480 just for saving $200 more, I guess. Yes, $20 a month, that put us over 5000. Now I'm turning it to green. So we were able to successfully save 5000 for a period of 1 year, and that's our budget for a vacation. That's a good vacation dollars saved. So this is how Excel can help us personally to track things and see how we can do some savings, how we can achieve the targets that we want. This could be your personal finance, or it could be an organization, or you can implement that for your business as well, planning. So, and all I have to do is save this, and there you go. I have my Excel where I can track. Let's say if the numbers are changing monthly, I just keep updating these numbers. If I'm using more gas and less online shopping, I could update the actuals here and track how much am I saving and what's the projection for future. If there's a way to reduce somewhere in groceries or some other place, That would even increase my savings, and I would be able to hit my target of $5,000 for my annual vacation. Alright, thanks for watching the video. Please consider to like and subscribe if you like my video.